Hello, and thank you for listening in. Today we're going to be talking about and going through a brief demonstration of the Accordion Web part for SharePoint. This Accordion Web part displays visual icons and text in a clean accordion-styled layout. You can configure multiple sections, all of which can contain and house multiple items. The Accordion Web part has different style options and customizable features to best match your community's visual identity and brand. Now let's take a look at the configuration for the Accordion Web part. The first section within your web part configuration is the Setup section. This allows you to create sections within your accordion. Those sections refer to this admin tools, content curating, customer support. The first option is the default expanded selection. For this specific accordion, would you prefer to have one of the sections already expanded when users land on a page? If so, you could check off or enable the one you'd like to be expanded. Otherwise, leave it as none and it'll remain collapsed as is shown behind here. You can have multiple sections. As you can see, each section is defined right above. I can drag and drop and rearrange my sections just by holding down and dragging and dropping it where I want it to go. To edit a section, I can click on the pencil icon and easily edit my section. If I wanted to create a new section, I can click Add Section and my configuration opens up. This is where I could set a section title. So in this case, Admin Tools or Content Curate, Customer Support, those are all section titles. Descriptions, that's what you could see here below Customer Resources, an area for all customer resources. That's what your description is referring to. You can select an icon for your section, right? So here I have a lock icon, we have some music and photos here, some people here. That's what the icon refers to. Then the section items is actually where you add the section items that will display once you click on the section and expand it. So what do you want that title to, or item to be called? Where do you want it to link to? And what do you want that icon to be? You also can set the icon color for that one here. And again, you can configure or decide if you want that URL where it's linking a user to open in a new window. For example, if I go and look at an already configured section with items, I can see here that I have multiple items configured within my section. I can always add new items, and similar to rearranging the sections, I just hold down to drag and drop where I want it to be. I can delete sections just by clicking on the delete. If I want to edit a section or an item, I can click on an item within a section and I can edit the title, link, and icon as I see fit. Within the theme section of the web part configuration, you have the ability to control multiple aspects of the theming of your accordion. This really helps best align the accordion with your branding or styling guidelines. You can choose to use the default theme, or if you disable that, you can make changes to it yourself. So what do you want the section item text color to be, right? When you expand one of these sections and you're actually looking at an item within the section, what do you want that text color to be? The odd and the even bands, right? So admin tools would be considered odd because this is 1, content curate is 2, and customer support is 3. So again, 3 is odd, content curate is considered even. So for those odd and even bands, what do you want that band background color to be, as well as the header text color, icon color, and description text color? And again, you get a nice preview of each of those reflected with real-time changes here. The Advanced Settings section within the web part configuration allows you to set the header band height. So each of these bands here, such as Admin Tools, Content Curate, and Customer Support, you're able to set the height for each one. So what do you want that height to be? You also have the ability to enable Allow Linking to Accordion section. As you can see here, when you allow this, you can create a link from another page to open up a specific section of the accordion here. Within the font section, you do have full control over the section label, section description, and item caption. For each font type, you can choose between the basic font that is available to you in the community. From there, set the font weight and style as well as the size. You could select a Google font and search for a custom Google font and then apply a weight, style, and size. Or you could upload a custom font based on one of these file types here. And again, that can be done for your section label, your section description, and your item caption. So these labels here, if you were to have descriptions such as is displayed here under customer resources, and then item captions. So when you actually expand a section of the accordion and you're looking at one of your items, what do you want that text to be? The last section within this web part configuration is the migrate configuration. Let's say you already have a content quadrant web part configured that you like and you would like to easily move to another page in your site or community. To do so, you can navigate to your content quadrant web part configuration, copy your current configuration code, and wherever you want to add that copy of the code, you add a new content quadrant web part to the page and paste in that configuration code. This allows you to start with what you already had configured, and you can make small changes as needed. Thank you so much for listening in. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.